Hey everyone, welcome back to another interesting video, and today we are going to see a delicious fish recipe, and it's crispy fried pomfret, which is not just quick and easy to make but will also satisfy your taste buds. And I'm sure you will love this fish fry recipe once you have tried it, as it turns out so very crisp from outside and flavorful from inside. So let's begin with this amazing pomfret recipe. And here I've taken 4 medium-sized pomfrets, and I've made slits or gashes on both the sides of the pomfrets so that when we marinate them, the flavors penetrates deep inside. And now we'll do a basic marination first. For that we'll add some salt. Then goes half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and the juice of half a lime. And now we need to rub all the ingredients on both the sides of the pomfrets. Make sure you rub the seasonings or the spices in the areas where we have made the slits so that the marinade goes within the pomfrets, and as a result will turn flavorful and delicious when we fry them. So the pomfrets have been massaged well with the marination, and now we will let them rest for at least an hour. And in the meantime, we will prepare a second marination batter which will make the pomfret crispy. For that I have taken 6 dry red chillies soaked in hot water for half an hour. We will now transfer them into a mixer or chutney jar with a splash of water. Next goes 4 large garlic pods and 1 inch of ginger, and now we'll blend them into a paste. Let's check this now. And our spicy garlicky red paste is ready. We'll transfer them into a bowl. We'll keep this aside for a moment. Next, in a mixing bowl, we will add 1.5 tablespoon of besan or gram flour. Then goes 1 tablespoon of rice flour, which will make the pomfret crisp when we fry them. For seasoning, we'll add some salt as per taste and the spicy red paste which we had prepared just now. We'll now add water bit by bit and mix this well to form a smooth, lumps-free, thick batter. So the batter should not be very flowy, otherwise it will not coat well with the fish. And this is ready. We'll now generously apply the batter and coat the pomfrets with it from both the sides. And now our pomfrets are ready to be fried. For that I've already heated some mustard oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot enough, we will place the pomfret with the side coated well with the batter. We'll apply some more batter on the top of the pomfrets so that they turn crisp from outside. We'll keep the flame on medium and we'll shallow fry the pomfrets until they turn crisp and are well brown from both the sides. After about 2 minutes, we will gently flip the pomfrets. And you can reapply the batter on the sides of the pomfrets if it has not been coated well. And friends, this pomfret recipe is not just quick to make but turns out super delicious, crisp and flavorful, and you can enjoy them as sides along with rice and dal. And after about 2 minutes, we will again flip the pomfrets so that the edges of the pomfrets are also well fried and turn crisp. And I'm going to fry them for another 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame, and they will be done by then. And by now the pomfrets are done, crisp and golden brown from both the sides. So I will take them off and serve them hot right away. And here goes our crispy fried pomfret on the serving plate. I'll garnish with some chopped coriander or cilantro leaves on top, as well as some onion rings and lemon slices to complete the dish. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious pomfret recipe. But before you go, I want to hear from you, what's your favorite fish recipe? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other cooking videos for more delicious ideas. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.